face. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Tyler, be careful to the camera. Come say good morning to the face. Look at this door. Tyler, say morning.
Morning with my Spider-Man shoes. My Spider-Man shoes say good morning.
You guys, we are outside catching.
Mama.
Hold on, I'm talking while I'm finished. I'm outside catching some fresh air. Babe and I just finished working out. We killed it. I'm strong when I'm alone, but I'm stronger when I'm working out with Babe. He pushed me, I push him, and it feels so good working out together with him. But yeah, we did that this morning. Wasn't feeling good this morning when I wake up. I was so tired because Friday I had a very intense workout, and then I had took Tyler to the park and I was playing football with him on top of my workout, and then Saturday I was in heels all day, so my entire body was just aching, and yesterday wasn't enough for recovery, so I needed a little extra sleep this morning. And when I wake up to work out, Babe say, honey, it's best you get another hour and see how you feel. And when I took the extra hour and I got up, my spirit was saying, Mel, don't work out, and my mind was saying, Mel, work out. And I said, okay, who's gonna defeat me this morning? Neither of y'all, because I'm gonna work out. And then Babe said, hey, I'm gonna work out too. So I said, alright, join me. And we killed it this morning. Killed it, totally killed it. We got like an hour in, and that was really good. So the kids, Tyler was minding his own business while Sarah was napping. Tyler, watch your sister. So now it's lunchtime. The kids just ate. Baby's eating, and I'm just having lunch. Breakfast. My second breakfast. So it's like brunch for me right now. I'm having oats and yogurt mix that I normally have sometime, one of my favorite breakfasts in the morning. Anyway, enough of my ramble. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and what, Sarah? That's Sarah? No, that's Sarah. Let me show you guys Sarah. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new to the channel. Yes, hi. Let me show you guys everybody.
Hello to stop to say.
Yes, I did. There they are.
Hear
Yes, I did the hello today. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You hear it now? You hear it now?
Yeah.
And if I didn't say good morning to Faves, morning Faves. Princess, you want some?
No!
This is she dancing for the food. You want some more? Wait. Sarah, you will break it. Don't do that. Yummy? Yummy?
You want to come inside? Mama soon come and get you. Okay? I soon come. You want to come? Say mama. Where we just came back from?
Supermarket hall.
We just came back from supermarket hall?
Yes.
We just came back from fruits and vegetable supermarket. So I couldn't vlog when I'm on the road. Too much was just going on at once. So
And we buy something new.
we buy something new for who?
Me? No, not you. Me. For me.
No, for me.
A wallpaper.
Not for me, it's for you. Ready to show the things, all the things we got? Alright.
I don't. Oh, zucchini.
Right, it's zucchini, but I don't have the machine to make the zucchini. Zoodles, they call it. It's like, it's in noodle form. So I'm gonna cook this for dinner this evening. So we have zucchini here.
That's the thing that's new.
What is it?
Blueberry.
Tyler
I'm
loves
gonna try and make
blueberries.
it in French.
What is it in French?
Myrtille.
Right. What is this?
Cereal.
For who?
Papa. Something is in French. Pastèque.
Melon. Tyler telling you in French. Aha.
Concombre.
Cucumber.
Pomme.
Apple.
Oh, I forgot.
See?
Citron.
Citron. Lemon.
To make lemonade. Salad.
Salad. Lettuce.
Poire.
Very good. Poire. Pear. Just your big You saw him?
Yes, I saw a little.
Oh, seen him.
I think
I missed it, but I'm gonna catch him soon.
you went to this way.
I have no idea. Okay. How we fighting with the mosquito? He's around here. What's this?
You went over there. Let me see.
The saltfish.
Oh, yeah. Banana.
Banana.
I don't have any friends.
C'est le même en anglais.
Celery. Celery.
Right.
I don't have any friends.
Gingembre.
Gingembre.
Ginger.
Haricots verts.
Green beans.
Ananas.
Pineapple. Ananas. Oh, for Thailand, babe. C'est quoi en français?
Fromage.
Fromage. Cheese.
Say it in English. I mean in French. Kiwi.
Kiwi.
And that's the end.
No, we have one leaf.
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
Le dernier broccoli.
Le dernier, c'est the last. Le dernier. Le dernier quoi?
Le dernier. Le dernier légume, c'est le brocoli.
Oui, le dernier légume, c'est le broccoli. The last vegetable is broccoli. Alright, you guys, those are all the things that we got from the vegetable store. Now I'm gonna clear this up and then relax a bit because I'm
And me, when you finish, I'll relax and eat some of my pineapple and blueberry.
I'm in the kitchen making dinner for the fam bam right now. And for dinner today, I am making some minced beef and zucchini zoodles is what they call it. It's just zucchini that they make shape like spaghetti. So instead of having spaghetti, you're having zucchini really. Alright, babe and I are gonna have that with the minced beef, and then I'm gonna cook a little bit of pasta. I'm gonna make a little bit of pasta for Tyler because we need to eat and get going because we have a little surprise for Tyler. He's taking a nap, so I can probably tell you guys. Baby's gonna meet one of his cousins that he haven't seen in years. That moved to Nice lately, so we're gonna meet up with him, his girlfriend, his family, his entire family, his kids, and I think his sister is also there with him. There's a bunch of family reunion that's gonna happen this evening, but Tyler have no idea. We're gonna meet up at a big park, about 15 minutes drive away, so it's after dinner. It's a night park, so hopefully I'll be able to capture some of the activities that Tyler will be engaging in. So let me get dinner done so we can head out because it's 6 o'clock and we have to leave here by 8. So let's get this dinner going short, shall we? Tyler finally reached and he's excited to see what to do. So let me give you guys a rundown of where we are. So we're at this park in Antibes, that's the name of the city, and it's like a night park with activities and more activities. Look at this one. They're flying. They actually was flying from all the way up there. So we are gonna go inside. Oh, you ready? And Sarah is here. She's about to sleep right now. Let me show you guys Sarah. There she is. Hi. Hi, Cookie, Cookie. So you have rides for the kids, you have rides for the adults. And Tyler, look at this one. Sarah, you make Sarah laugh. Sarah laughing. Is it Taylor? Sarah is dying. Is it Taylor? Is it Taylor there? Taylor. And because of the COVID, so a lot of space is in there. Yes, it's Tyler. Yes, it's Tyler. Is it Tyler? No.
cousin in the whites and cousin in the shorts, the girl. There's Tyler right there in the orange. Tyler's on the river. Look at this little one. She would go to sleep. She would go to sleep. I have to give her a snack. Baby, don't crash with my child. Sarah, they're coming through. Even Tyler is in this roller coaster and they are gonna come down from this worm. There is this worm, so waiting for them to come down. Well, Sarah is here chilling, still no sleeping. They're coming, Sarah. The boys are in here. God in the worm inside the apple. I don't want to see Tyler's face right now. Tyler is having the time of his life. Look at him. How was that? You had fun? You're a brave boy. Ice cream stuff.
Ice cream cup.
Skylar? Okay, they're up now. They're gonna swing all the way down. Let's see if you guys can catch it. See, they come, there they come, there they come, there they come, there they come. Jeez! Oh my God! That's so